Ay, before anything else, ako day si Ninia Cordon, no? Nakalimot ko mag-introduce sa akong sarili. So, I am a licensed pharmacist by profession and I am based in Davao City. So, Bisaya and Ilonggo at the same time. So, pwede gid kayo ko ninyo i-reach out through email and messenger if you have these product inquiries or questions about the products, no? So, or even mga cases like may mga reactions ba na ani pag mag-inom og ani nga supplement unsa ba ang maayo kung ani i-answer ng mga questions. So we are here, your pharmacist, to help you on that, no, on how to properly answer our clients or customers. So let's begin with the USANA difference. So why we trust USANA is because first, we have formulated ingredients. So all of the products that we have in the market right now have formulated by our team of scientific experts. That's why they are balanced and science-based. So, ibig sabihin, kanang naatay mga different researches or mga different studies to support our claims or even why we have this certain ingredients, this certain nutrients present sa kini nga product, kaya nag-agi na siya og study, no? And because of our team of experts in research and development. So these are our scientific experts. And that's the good thing about USANA. Kaya ang mga tao nga nag-produce or nag-study ani na mga products or formulation kay mga experts sa biology, no? We have chemists, we have medical doctors, even mga pharmacists, no? So we have those people working in USANA. And they are focused on the health of our cells. So that's why our tagline is the Cellular Nutrition Company. Because we believe, no, because of Dr. Myron Wentz, who is an expert, no, a microbiologist and an immunologist. He is an expert, no, and even culture. He believes that if tagaan nato og enough nutrients, if tagaan nato siya right amount, and at the same time at the right form, sustain gid ang health sa cells, no, and ma-lessen gid ang degeneration. And that's why we are also about developing and providing quality nutritional. So mga premium ang ato ang mga products, and it's because of Dr. Myron Wentz. And we are centered with the 4 core values of excellence, integrity, health, and community. And our commitment to excellence is reflected by the adherence nato sa quality standards of good manufacturing practices or the GMP, no, for dietary supplement. And also we have mga pharmaceutical grade standard na mga products, ibig sabihin safe, and they are quality, no? So how do we know na quality na siya? So we have mga third party verification bodies and institutions to partner with USANA, no? So sila ning mga partners nato when it comes to giving us this verification, no, sa pag-provide kini na mga certifications that our products are really quality and safe. So these are such as the University of Utah, we have University of Colorado, and many more. Also, when it comes to scientific studies, like I mentioned a while ago, we have USANA scientists. So they are the ones who perform mga new research. And one of those scientists in R&D is our very own Dr. Rolando Madela. So he is a medical doctor, but he is into research and he is working for USANA. Ayan. And that is to develop and provide the highest quality science-based health products. So the USANA difference are naka-base yun na naka-focus in providing us the good quality of materials, even mga sources, ingredients, highly formulated products, even the manufacturing, because we believe that poor manufacturing practices can destroy good science. Bisan unsa pa kanindot ang formulation or kanang ang pagka-research ana, kung dili maayo ang pagkabuhat, maguba gid gyapon na siya ang quality. That's why we have our own manufacturing facility, improvement as well, and monitoring. So that would give us quality products. And if you want to think and perform at your best, no, USANA is the best company because of our third references and testing, such as the NSF International, USP Pharmacopeia or the United States Pharmacopeia, yung mga testings. So, igina-perform dira ang mga different mga tests sa atong mga products. kung pasok ba siya sa standard. Kaya kung dili na siya mapasok sa standard, like the dissolution, disintegration, ang pag-release or absorption sa body, dili na siya i-release sa USANA. As well as Euromonitor, no? Euromonitor International, and we have been given this award as a uh, food supplement brand in the Philippines for 5 consecutive years already, and consumerlab.com. Diba? So all of those certification bodies has given us this award, no, to provide our consumers, our customers that our products are really safe for use. As well as in NSF International, no? So yan yung mga certifications nato. And this is the picture of our manufacturing facility in Salt Lake City, Utah. So actually, dako gid na siya na facility. And what's good about this, because some pharmaceutical companies or industry, they don't have their own manufacturing facility. So ilang ginabuhat, nag-rent na sila or nagapabuhat na sila sa toll manufacturers. So for example, kini no, for example, natay company, natay for example, tawagon na to na USANA. Okay, so si USANA magpabuhat siya product ani nga toll manufacturer kay wala tay manufacturing facility. So dili ma-assure or dili ma-guarantee ang quality kung ipabuhat nimo sa lain. That's why USANA in full spectrum gid na siya na atay own manufacturing facility. As well as NSF certified sport, no, kanang mga athletes nato, no, they trust USANA. And we don't pay our athletes, no, they use our products and that's how they endorse it. And they trust it na wala gyud mga illegal substances present or mga pinagbabawal na ingredients dira, no. So mga substances na ginaban sa mga athletic organizations. So walay ingana, and that's why most of the athletes internationally and even locally, they trust USANA as their supplement provider. So let's transition from this. So why do I need to worry about nutrition? So nowadays, if you're gonna present this to your clients or customers, syempre, tagaan ginato silang idea or tagaan nato silang reason to take our products. No? Number one gidira is ang nutrient deficiencies and nutrient gap. Bisan kung sa nimong kaon, daghan na kagi ginakaon in a day, like 3 meals with snacks. Even though you eat a lot during the day, you still miss important nutrients. Dili gyapon na siya complete, dili gyapon na siya enough. And that's why when we are overwhelmed by stress, we are dealing with a lot of things, dali ta magkasakit. And nowadays, di ba, ang source na isa sa mga sources sa mga sakit karon is ang chronic stress. No, dati kay degenerative, no, mga cardiovascular, metabolic diseases, but right now, no, it's more on chronic stress-related na mga sakit. And are we getting the right levels of nutrients? So yes, no, so kailangan gina siya og right enough nutrients for the body, especially pag naka-expose ta sa pollution, mga processed food, dili na kayo healthy atong ginakaon, no, fast food na halos, mga instant, no, food na ma-instant food ang kinabuhi sa tao, no? So if you're gonna compare that before, many years ago, wala pa kaayong mga processed food, taas-taas pag ang kinabuhi sa mga tao. But right now, because of that, no, dili ta sure nga kung sa atong ginakaon sa gipalit na nato sa market ba na or sa grocery kay safe siya because grabe gid ang chemicals, grabe ang mga preservatives, no? So dili ka sure nga healthy gid siya. Naagid siya ay negative impact sa imong health. And that's why we need supplementation. Dili gid mo sulod ng supplementation because what we are getting from the food that we eat will never be enough. No, bisan kaunon pa nimo tanan na, but every day would be very impossible, no? Kaon nimo tanan na ng mga pagkaon containing those essential nutrients. And for it to be, to take away the gap, to bridge that gap, then we need supplementation. And that is where USANA enters in. No? Dili gyud manginahanglan nato ang supplementation. And to begin, no, so this is our flagship product, our USANA Cell Essentials. So if naa kay i-present number one gyud or ang pinakauna din nga product na imong i-present sa imong client or customer would be USANA Cell Essentials. Ayan. And also, what's inside our product? No? So unsang naa diri inside our USANA Cell Essentials. So we have our core cell essentials and vita antioxidants. So core cell essentials, mao na ang blue ang logo. Ayan. And the other one is the vita antioxidants. Mao na siya ang green. So this is a complete set of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So kung i-describe na to siya, it's very complete, no? Kaya naa dira 13 multivitamins, 11 minerals, 11 antioxidants, plus it has other ingredients. So complete siya na kailangan sa tao daily, and at the same time, it is powered with intelligence technology. So what is intelligence technology? So this is cellular communication. Natay mga different ingredients dira na ikaduda cell talking. So ana siya ka-powerful. And that is patented for USANA up to 20 years. Ibig sabihin kita lang ang makagamit ana no na patent, no, dili na siya pwede magamit sa laing company. So it can do the cell talking, no, maka-enhance siya sa iyahang function, maka-provide pa siya sa iyang mga antioxidants o by the body, na, and all of those things. So mas improve ang iyahang formulation. And what's inside our USANA Cell Essentials? So let's go deeper no kung unsa ang naadiri na mga ingredients. So actually we have a lot, no? So i-run through lang nako ning mga different ingredients under first sa core cell essentials. So unahan nato si core cell essentials. So if i-search nimo ni siya sa ato ang askthescientist.com, core minerals ang iyang pangalan. But in the Philippines, no, since we are following regulatory bodies such as FDA, we change it to core cell essentials. So this is a blend of highly absorbable minerals and trace minerals plus na siya amino acid and vitamin C. So ang mga minerals, they are essential elements sa body kay ang atong lawas dili gid mag-function kung wala sila. So daghan kay silang mga role na gina-play sa atong physiological processes, no, sa atong pag balance and mag-regulate sa atong body chemistry. So number one, we have our magnesium. So magnesium, no, is an essential mineral and it helps more than 300 enzyme systems sa lawas. So kung walay magnesium, dili maka-function ng atong mga bukog, even atong energy, di ta makaproduce ana sa nerves, sa muscles, and sa heart. Second is calcium. So calcium is the most abundant mineral sa body. Kailangan siya sa ato ang bukog, sa atong ngipon, muscles, and nerve function. So yun. And it's very important, no, because especially for women, kailangan yun og enough calcium sa bones, especially sa mga buntis or kanang mga hapit na mag-menopausal. No, so importante gid ang calcium para maiwasan ng osteoporosis. Ayan. And also we have a separate optimizer. For that, we have our Magnicol D. So next is vitamin C or your ascorbic acid. So this one is in poly-C na formulation. Is that mas taas ang level sa vitamin C in plasma. And vitamin C is important sa pag-create of collagen. No, mauna ang collagen ang secret to youthful skin. Ayan. So, we have also a separate optimizer for that. So, collagen, no, is important protein of the body. Mauna siya responsible sa skin elasticity. And also, we have our N-acetyl L-cysteine. So, this is an important antioxidant na nag-play for detoxification. No, it is also found in your liver. Ayan. So, that's for our core minerals. The next set, under the same category pa rin, the core cell essentials, we have boron. So boron, it supports the ability to use calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. So present po niya sa atong Magnicol D, si boron. Important siya sa atong bones. Zinc also is an antioxidant and it's important sa metabolism, sa atong immune system, sa atong mata, sa atong skin health. Chromium naman is important component sa glucose tolerance factor. So, mao ni siya for healthy glucose metabolism, no, sa atong blood sugar. And it will help maintain that glucose level as long as it is in the normal range. Next is our iodine. So, iodine is crucial sa atong thyroid hormones. Kay mao ning thyroid hormones nato ang nag-regulate sa metabolism, sa atong growth, reproduction, even protein synthesis. So mayon na mga ubang tao dili man makatake regularly og iodine rich food. especially pag layo sila sa sources of iodine, no, na mga seafood kana, so dili kay sila maka-ana or mga rich in iodized salt. So that's why na sila yung mga thyroid problems. So importante gid ang iodine, no, for our thyroid glands. Another set is our selenium. So selenium naman, it is for the renewal ng glutathione, our antioxidant. So by the way, what is an antioxidant? No, it is a substance no, na naga-neutralize sa free radicals. So kanang mga free radicals nga na mauna ang maka-destroy, maka-harm sa atong mga cells. So dapat ma-neutralize na sila, no, so that they will not continue to propagate or multiply in the body. That's why important ang antioxidant. So antioxidant siya, no, ang ato ang glutathione. And selenium is also important sa thyroid hormone, sa atong immune system, even sa prostate health ng mga lalaki. Next, copper. So copper is critical, no, for superoxide dismutase. Isa sa mga antioxidant nato, and also part po siya sa hemoglobin, sa dugo, and sa collagen. Manganese is source sa very important po siya, no, kay it's good for our brain function, okay, for the brain, for the connective tissue sa bukog and arteries. Vanadium is also for serum glucose, so sa mga atong blood sugar levels. Ayan, si vanadium. Next, si molybdenum. Molybdenum is necessary siya sa metabolism and for protein metabolism and strong teeth. And we also have mga ultra trace minerals. So, si potassium and sodium, lithium and boron. We have the chloride and sulfate. So, pamalumantan no si potassium. So, it is one of the electrolytes. And we also have the sodium. So, si sodium kay important siya sa balance of fluids. So, if you notice, potassium, sodium, present po na siya sa atong electrolyte, watermelon drink, no? So, part siya sa atong electrolyte. And we also have chloride and sulfate. So, those are the different ingredients of our core cell essentials. So, dili man necessary tanan no na ma-memorize ninyo, for at least na may idea para sa unsa siya, unsan iyang ginabuhat sa atong lawas. Next is our Vita antioxidant. So, mauna nitong green ang logo. Ayan. So, daghan-daghan po ni siya. So, actually, one of our USANA associates, Dr. Alex Delgado, no, he is an oncologist, and according to him, mauni siya ang murag na ay factor for cancer, no, nga kanang makatabang siya sa cancer na ma-prevent. So actually, maupod ni ang maka-help para dili mag-form ang ato ang daghan kay free radicals sa lawas, no, kay antioxidants gyud siya, like daghan jud kay siya antioxidants na neutralize ana ng mga free radicals na maka-cause of oxidative stress. So important gyud nga naatay daily intake, no, sa antioxidants. So aside sa mga fruits and vegetables, no, na pwede na to makuhaan, nataan ni sa atong Vita antioxidant. So first, we have our vitamin A. So high potent ni siya na vitamin A. So we always think of it na kanang good for the eyes na siya, no, and also we can get it from the beta carotene. So mao na siya mga mixed carotenoids, no, for strong heart, sa atong immune system, sa eyes, and even sa lungs. So powerful siya na antioxidant, and it can really fight off those free radicals. And also we have the mixed tocopherols and vitamin E. So vitamin E is also a type of Vita antioxidant. So powerful po siya, no, to defend ourselves from our oxidative stress. Also good for the eyes. And next is choline. So choline, this is part of the B vitamins. So dili siya technically a vitamin, pero part siya ani, no? So it is important for the liver and to maintain the homocysteine levels. And the alpha lipoic acid, so ALA. So this is one of the most powerful antioxidants. Our body can produce this, but syempre, dili siya maka-sustain, no? Dili siya enough. That's why we also get this from certain food na pud siya makuha sa mga pagkaon nato. And it also aids in detoxification. So kana no important yun for the liver na mag-detoxify siya sa atong mga ginakaon, sa atong mga ginainom, no, dili siya mag-stick sa atong body and ma-release gid siya. So isa sa mga function na sa alpha lipoic acid. And alpha lipoic acid is also present in our optimizer na Coquinone 30. Okay, ayan. So it's a powerful antioxidant. Next is our resveratrol. So resveratrol, key component ni siya, makita ni siya sa red wine, no? So or also source na siya sa phenolic compounds. And this is the reason why nganong ang mga French people, we have this what we call the French paradox, na bisan unsa nila kaon og mga fatty food, dili sila makadevelop og mga cardiovascular diseases because of this resveratrol in red wine, no? Because of the phytochemicals and kana siya powerful siya, no, to prevent this from the bad cholesterol from building up in the body. So ana ang resveratrol. So, it's good for the bones, for the brain, the skin, the heart, and it helps maintain healthy blood glucose level as long as they are in normal range. And also it's part of the intelligence complex katong na ay cell talking ability, no? So part C resveratrol ana. Next is our Meriva, bioavailable curcumin or luyang dilaw, no, from the spice turmeric, and it has been used in traditional cultures na for centuries, and it's good for the joints, no. Mauna siya ang isa sa mga main ingredient nato sa Proposa, our curcumin extract, and it's good also for the blood vessels and the eyes. Although si curcumin or luyang dilaw, dili na siya nimo ma-absorb well sa body. However, with the help of the intelligence complex called the phytosome delivery, gipalibutan siya og lipids or fats ang ato ang mga curcumin extract, mao na nga makasulod na siya sa cell. No, that's why it's 30 times bioavailable or 30 times highly absorbable compared with other turmeric brands in the market. So that's the power of our USANA technology. Next is green tea extract. So green tea extract, ginagamit na po siya sa traditional medicine, no? And also studied for its great antioxidant activity, especially the EGC. Ayan, and it's good for the liver, for the heart, for the metabolic health, no? And also, ang ginagamit nato ani na type of green tea extract is decaffeinated. Vitamin K. So vitamin K is also good for the bones, for blood clotting sa atong dugo, sa atong mga ugat. Ayan, and also, no, it's important to get also this vitamin K, kay di ba for blood clotting factors siya, no? So pag may mga samad, no, dali lang siya ma-heal. Ayan. Next is quercetin. It's one of the most abundant na flavonoids makita sa prutas, no? And it has also a powerful antioxidant activity, no? Same with the resveratrol. And it's part of the intelligence complex. So do siya cell-talking, si quercetin. Next, si rutin and hesperidin. These are our citrus bioflavonoids. So quercetin, rutin, hesperidin, part siya sa Policy nato. So Policy is in mineral ascorbate formulation. That's why it's highly bioavailable because of this, no, our rutin and hesperidin. Kaya na siya citrus bioflavonoids. Ayan. And B vitamins, name it, B1, B3, B6, B12, all of these things are very important, no, sa atong health. So if may customer mangutana kanang may B kanang B complex or vitamin B, no, na present dito sa inyong product, yes, kompleto kaayo, no, ang ato ang B vitamins tanan naa na dira. And we know daghan jud kay mabuhat ang B vitamins nato, essential kaayo siya sa atoa because it's, it serves for the energy, metabolism, immune system, hair, skin, nails, or even, no, sa ato ang dugo, no, sa cholesterol, daghan jud kay even for the heart and many more, especially sa mga babae na naay ka ng kuan. So folate, also important na siya sa brain development sa mga bata, no? And also inositol, no, vitamin B8. So all of those complete ato ang vitamin B complex, no? So if naimangutana, yes, it's complete yun. All right. Next is aside from that, we also have thiamine and also olive oil. Dito tayo sa olive oil or olive fruit extract. So it has been known as one of the secrets sa Mediterranean style diet, no? And our olive oil blend, it's one of the technologies of USANA, and it is exceptionally pure, concentrated siya na antioxidant, no? It's also present sa atong Celavive. Mao na siya nga powerful kayo nga to ang mga products, no? It's because of this olive oil extract. Vitamin D. So, this is your daily dose of sunshine, especially pag dili kay tagapainit, no? So, sometimes kailangan po nato magpainit, mga early morning sunshine, healthy pa na siya, no? Para ma-activate ang vitamin D sa ato ang body. Ayan. And vitamin D, no, this is important para ma-absorb si calcium, no? Nagatake tag calcium supplement, pero wala may enough vitamin D, di gyapon siya ma-absorb. So, dapat naagid po si vitamin D. Yes, good for the cell growth, no, sa muscles, sa heart, sa immune system. So, mao ni siya ang mabuhat sa atuang vitamin D. Next, lycopene. So, lycopene, no, madunggan nato ni siya sa mga kamatis, no, sa mga carotenoids nato. So, it's very important because ang body dili siya makabuhat og lycopene. So, kuwaon din nato siya sa atong diet. And this is a red pigmented nutrient gikan sa fruits and vegetables and also an antioxidant. Also, vitamin A, yan, naputay vitamin A in retinol acetate form. So, pre-formed siya na vitamin A, ibig sabihin, i-convert pa siya sa body para magamit nato siya. So, dili siya automatic ma-transform or ma-convert sa body, no? But it's pre-formed. So, anytime that the body needs vitamin source of vitamin or antioxidant, ma-convert lang siya into active form of vitamin A. So, it's very important for strong heart, sa immune system, sa eyes nato, sa lungs, no? And also a good powerful antioxidant, no, that can give you that oxidative defense against mga free radicals sa environment. Next is lutein. Okay, so lutein is very important for the eyes. So, makadungog naman tayo ni lutein, zeaxanthin bilberry extract is found in our Visionex na optimizer. So, this is a yellow pigmented carotenoid. Naka-concentrate ni siya sa ato ang macula, sa eyes macula, and ang nagaserve siya as filter for blue light para mas mag-aid siya sa clear vision. Also, si lutein, di lang siya good for the eyes, but also good for the skin as well. Okay? Next is coenzyme Q10. So, coenzyme Q10, this is to keep you and your cells full of energy. So, what main ingredient siya sa ato ang coquinone 30. So, it's also found sa coenzyme Q10. So, this one is important para makaproduce atong cells of energy. At the same time, antioxidant food siya para ma-fight against oxidative stress pag nagaproduce atong cells of energy. So, yan, no? Yan ang ato ang coenzyme Q10. So, if you notice, ang uban sa mga ingredients nato, mga optimizers, present na siya daan sa Cellsentials. Okay? So, if naatay mo na ginapush ginato nga Cellsentials sa June, and if naapay mga extra need, naapay mga kaminahanglan ang lawas, no, nga gusto nila tutukan, or extra support, then they can add the optimizers. But really, the foundation for our health, foundation for our vitamins and minerals and antioxidants nga naa na tanan, na dira gyud sa Cellsentials. Okay? And i-add on lang nato ang mga optimizers. So that's for our USANA Cellsentials. So what does it do? No, it nourishes our cells and optimal ang amount sa ato ang ingredients. So what's optimal, no? It's minimal dose versus optimal dose. So natin ginatawag na daily recommended dietary allowance. So mao na siya ang giset sa government para i-take nato daily para dili ta maging deficient. Para lang gid dili ta maging deficient, pero dili siya optimal, dili siya kanang makahatag sa imong extra, no? So ang USANA ang ginahatag sa ato is optimal dose. So, ibig sabihin, it's more than what is needed. So that, pag kailangan yun sa lawas, naagid siya'y makuhaan. Dili kay kulang, but naapay extra or naapay sobra. No? So, dila kita sa may sobra para in case kinahanglan, naagid tayo makuhaan. Ayan. And also, just to highlight USANA Intelligence Technology. So, this is a product design. This is one of USANA's technology. It's very important because it plays an important role in helping our body's natural ability to protect itself from stress and to renew youthful and normal cellular function. So this is the way to a healthy and vibrant health, especially for the cells. So this is patented technology and naa siya yung mga ginagamit na select nutrients. Kato akong gipang mention resveratrol, no? We have choline and many more. So daghan dito na mga ingredients ang present for intelligence technology. So what they do is that kini na mga nutrients, they don't just support but also they stimulate. Gina-activate nila mga specific na mga cellular processes. That's why as it does its work, it's also targeting cell signaling pathways. Mao na nga mutok gid siya, musturya siya ba sa mga cell networks para makasend siya og receive og communication, ma-improve sa lawas ang iyahang function, especially the production of antioxidant. Mao gid na ang number one iya support to really help the body by talking to the body, to the cells na mag-produce pa gid og antioxidant. And at the same time, activation ng mitophagy, so mas better ang clean up process no sa lawas. That's why renewed ang cells and at the same time youthful and dagan siya energy. Okay? And that's how it empowers our cells no through intelligence technology. And remember, no only in USANA, wala gid na siya sa laing company, sa laing brand, but we have it as our patented technology. Ayan. So that's it for our USANA Essentials. Just you can take it 2 to 4 tablets each daily, preferably with food. And this is for adults only, 18 years old and above. And hindi siya pwede sa mga 18 years old and below, no? But we can give them our Usanimals, no? Para sa mga kids 2 to 12 years of age. But for USANA Essentials, for adults. And also, if mangutanan na pwede ba siya para sa buntis? So actually, dili siya recommended for the pregnant women because wala siya iron. Okay? So, nga wala iron ang Essentials. It's because food, kay dili nato siya, ang iron, dili na nato siya kailangan makuha sa supplement unless na kay iron deficiency anemia. Kaya ang iron, present lang gid siya sa atong ginakaon. Okay? And that's why pwede ra gyud na from the food or from the diet nato makuha si iron. No need to take it from other supplements unless you are diagnosed with certain medical condition na kailangan jud ka og iron supplements. Ayan. So also another question po nganong duha ka tablet, di ba pwede combine si Core Essential o Vita Antioxidant? So pwede man siya i-combine pero maglisod gyud tag tulon kay mahimo na siyang kasing laki ng golf ball, no? So imagine a golf ball, mao na kadako imong vitamin. So lisod gid siya tundon. So that's why it has to be separated into 2 tablets para easy ang pagtulon. Okay? So they should be taken also in pair. So that's about it for my presentation. So if you have question, na pwede nato masagot, you may do so. Ayan. So thank you so much, Sir Samuel. Back to you.
Thank you.